loves. I hope y'all are doing great today. I'm back with my InLoveArt Shop design team package share. This time it was quite delay because of this COVID and stuff, and I received it like very late. So let's just not waste time and jump right into it, and I'll show you what I have received from InLoveArt Shop. I love their dies. I forgot to mention that. So yeah, let's start with this cute bow tie. I actually thought this would be great when we are making some happy mails. And so recently I have sent out one happy mail, and I have actually cut out bows and like folded it and pasted. But then what I thought is when I packed, it might get squeezed a little bit. So how about this cute flat bow that you can make, and you can actually send out to a recipient who can use there in their projects, and it won't even get fold because it is, flat, because it is already flat. So this is the cutest thing I have received, a bow tie. The next is this happy birthday die, which is like 2 layers. So one is the backing and one is happy birthday alphabets. Words, sorry, not alphabets. So it's this one, and it's kind of perfect size for A2 size card and 5x7 cards. The next is this 2 beer glasses and says cheers. I thought this would be best to use when you're using some mail projects. So I recently again made a mail scrapbook, a folio kind of a thing. It was my hubby's friend's birthday, and we sent out a mini scrapbook to them. So I was just thinking that how would we get some dies that can be used in a mail theme as well. I received this yesterday, and I actually sent out my parcel day before yesterday, so I couldn't use it. But yeah, I will definitely use it in some future projects. So it's kind of cute. The next is this. It's kind of Christmas tree with this a globe thing. I actually saw the measurements. I don't know, somehow in my head it was kind of this big, but this is small. Still, you can use it in shakers and stuff, so you can actually make ornament out of it. It's kind of that size, so that's cute one. And then I have received this circle frame dies. It's kind of 2 circle frame, and also can cut out the middle portion. So you can use both together or you can use separate. So that's that. Next is this. This is my favorite. So it says big birthday wishes. And I was thinking to create again, I don't know, shakers are some kind of obsession to me right now, and I can only think of shakers, sequins, and those confettis and all those stuff. So I don't know why I'm so obsessed, but I love shakers, and I think this can be a good shaker card. So that's that. And the last one is this frames. They have different kind of colors. I chose this one. I don't know, I loved it. Oh, it's my letter H. It's me, Hero. So I'm going to save this. So it comes in this. This says the night deep dark blue eye. I don't know what this means, but it says that life is beautiful, of course. This frame, blue golden, blue golden lining, just now so good, white. So these are the stuff in it. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 pieces. And there are different colors too, so you can actually go to their website and see all the colors you like and order them. Don't forget to use the discount code. I will link in the description box below. I will also link to put all these links in the description box and the website direct link. I don't get anything, again guys, I do not get anything. It's not affiliated link. It's just my personal opinion that I love their dyes, I love their stuff, and they are super supportive. They help you a lot. So reach them out if you have any query about shipping or anything, and hop onto their website, get your favorite stuff and craft along. I'll see you guys with my project share soon. Bye for now.